Once upon a time, in a quiet town, there lived a young boy named Ethan. Ethan loved flying kites. Every weekend, he would run across the open field behind his house, laughing as his colorful kite danced in the sky. But one windy afternoon, while Ethan was trying to show off his biggest kite, a sudden gust tore it apart. The kite crashed to the ground, broken beyond repair. Ethan's excitement faded into anger and tears. He ran home and threw the broken kite in the corner. "I'm never flying one again," he said. His father, who had been watching from the porch, quietly walked over and sat beside him. "Why'd you give up so quickly?" his father asked. "Because I failed," Ethan said. "I worked hard on it, and it still broke." His father smiled softly and picked up the torn kite. "Come with me," he said. They walked to the backyard where his father kept an old box. From it, he pulled out a weathered, faded kite with patches and scars all over it. "This," he said, "was my very first kite."
Ethan looked at it surprised. "It looks so old. Did it ever fly?" His father chuckled. "It crashed 100 times. I fixed it every time until it flew stronger than before." He handed Ethan the kite and said, "You see, son, life is just like this. Every time you fall, you get a little better at standing. Every failure teaches you how to stay in the sky a little longer." Ethan took a deep breath. The wind brushed his face. "So, even a broken kite can fly again?" "Exactly," his father said. "Only if you have the courage to rebuild it." The next morning, Ethan woke up early. He gathered the torn pieces of his kite and began repairing it, carefully gluing, taping, and tightening every string. By afternoon, he ran to the same field. The wind was strong again, but this time he didn't hesitate. He lifted the kite, and it soared higher than ever before, its scars glinting in the sunlight. From the porch, his father smiled proudly. Ethan looked back and waved. He had learned something that day. Success doesn't come from never falling. It comes from never stopping. Because in life, just like flying a kite, the wind that tries to pull you down is the same wind that helps you rise.